students, I am Dr. Ritava Bhattacharjee, Assistant Professor of Physics in Department of Basic Science and Humanities in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today, we will be solving few problems which came in the year 24-25 of fourth semester of accounting. So the question is, show that the curl of a position vector is 0. So for that, let us consider a position R vector be a position vector in a three-dimensional Cartesian coordinate. Okay. So if this is the case, then what they say, curl of a position vector is 0. So therefore, curl of R vector. So what is the therefore R vector is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So this is my position vector in three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means where the dimension is having x, y and z coordinate in Cartesian form. So this is my vector. So I have to show the curl of the position vector is 0. So let us take the curl of it. So if I write the curl, then I have to write is equal to, I will write in the vector format, I cap, j cap, k cap. So curls operators, del x, del y, del z, with whatever the components of I cap, j cap, k cap I have written here. Then again R position vectors, I cap, j cap components I will write as per the column. So x will come in the below of I cap column, y will come under the j column, and k cap's column will come z. So if I am writing in this way, I will just take the partial derivative. Now you know that if I am taking the partial derivative of a quantity, suppose this is del x, then I can take the derivative with a term only if that term having a x related term. If you have any term which do not have the x component, then it cannot be differentiable with respect to x. So for that, so del x of y will become 0. If you are writing this del x of y minus del y of x, so this will become equal to 0 for all the cases. So if similarly here also, if this is the case, so we do not elaborately write here. What we do is, for the easy purpose, we just have a look here whether we can write it or it cannot be differentiable. So in that case, directly we will be writing here 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap, or is equal to 0. So the curl of a position vector is 0, hence shown. Thank you. Now